what's going to happen is I'm going to bake this in our pizza oven, very high heat, roughly 350 degrees, 4 minutes exactly. After 4 minutes, I'm going to take it out again. Whilst it's resting, I'm going to shave or just tear up a little bit of basil, a little bit of garlic oil, a little bit more Parmesan, and then it's ready to serve. For the eggs, very gently place them in, close the door. We're going to cook at 360 degrees for exactly 4 minutes. Now the eggs are just baked, we need to add the rest of the ingredients to finish off. First of all, freshly cracked black pepper, a little bit of garlic oil, just to give it a really wonderful aroma. Again, freshly grated Parmesan, so it melts. You can see that it's actually melting straight away. Another 10 grams is perfect. And for the final flourish, again, for some more aromatics, we're actually going to take some basil, and instead of cutting it or chopping it, we're just going to tear it with our hands. And as we tear it, all of those lovely aromatics come out. And that's our Italian baked breakfast.